Welcome back, viewers. Previously, we watched the discussion about digital assets between Raj and Priya, where Raj explained the basics of cryptocurrencies and their impact on the financial world. Priya was intrigued by the concept of digital assets and wanted to learn more about digital asset-based Web3 projects. Today, they meet again at a cafe somewhere in India to discuss the Pi network. In this conversation, Raj explains what Pi network is, how it works, its potential uses, and the broader Pi ecosystem.
Hi Raj, thanks for meeting up again. I've been hearing a lot about the Pi network lately, and I know you're the right person to ask. Can you explain what it is?
Of course, Priya. The Pi network is a cryptocurrency project designed to make mining more accessible to everyone. Unlike Bitcoin, which needs powerful computers and lots of electricity, Pi network lets people mine Pi coins using their smartphones.
That sounds interesting. So how does Pi mining on a smartphone work? I thought mining required a lot of computational power.
Good question. Pi network uses a different approach. Instead of the energy-consuming method that Bitcoin uses, Pi network relies on the Stellar Consensus Protocol. This method is much less resource-intensive and relies on trust within your network of contacts. Essentially, by having users or pioneers vouch for each other, the network stays secure.
So what do you need to do to start mining Pi coins?
It's really simple. You just need to download the Pi network app from the Play Store, App Store, or their website. Use an invite code to create an account and start mining by pressing a button once every 24 hours. You don't have to keep the app open or use your phone's resources all the time. It's designed to be easy and doesn't drain the phone's battery.
Wow, that sounds very accessible. Okay, and how does the Pi network keep people interested and growing?
The Pi network has a strong focus on community. They've even created their own social network called the Fireside Forum, where users can connect, engage, and share content. The Pi Core team also organizes community events like developer hackathons and local commerce events such as Pi Fest, which make Pi network a unique Web3 project.
I'm curious about the security aspect. How does the Pi network ensure the system isn't exploited?
Security is very important. The network's security relies on its user base. When you join, you create a security circle with people you trust. This way, each user's trust anchors the network, making it harder for bad actors to get in. The Stellar Consensus Protocol also adds a layer of security on top.
What about the broader Pi ecosystem you mentioned?
The Pi ecosystem is designed to be a complete digital economy. Apart from mining, Pi network is developing a platform for decentralized apps, which could be anything from social networks to shopping sites, all using Pi coins. The Pi network is already a fully functional blockchain-based instant payment system with its own digital wallet called the Pi Wallet. The goal is to create a full digital economy where Pi can be used for various goods and services.
It all sounds quite futuristic. Do you think Pi network has a strong chance of succeeding?
It's hard to predict the future, but Pi network has some unique advantages. Its user-friendly mining approach, strong community focus, and ambitious plans for a digital ecosystem set it apart. With over 55 million users, aka pioneers, and innovative features like the Fireside Forum, Pi Wallet, and an in-house KYC solution for pioneers, Pi network has a solid foundation.
Thanks, Raj. This has been really helpful. I'll definitely give the Pi network a try. It's exciting to be part of something new and innovative.
Absolutely, Priya. Pi Network is an innovative Web3 project to explore the world of digital assets. Do remember to use the invite code in the video description to join Pi. Happy mining, Priya!
And with that, Priya feels confident and ready to explore the Pi network, while Raj is glad to have shared his knowledge and sparked a new interest in his friend. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button below.